Differential equation, the elimination of arbitrary constants. Sa elimination of arbitrary constant, kung gaano karami yung arbitrary constant, ganon din karami yung pag-differentiate mo sa isang equation. Halimbawa, yung number 1, x times sin y plus x squared times y equals c. Ang arbitrary constant natin dyan ay obviously yung c. Since yung c yung arbitrary constant natin at isa lang siya, ibig sabihin isang beses lang i-differentiate etong equation. Let's start differentiating to eliminate the arbitrary constant. So x sin y plus x squared y equals c. Ang mamimili ka lang kung ano yung mamimili ka kung ano yung dependent variable mo or independent variable. Pwede naman kahit ano, since may eliminate mo naman yung constant c. Pero kung may pamimilian at wala yung nakuha mong isa, pwede mo i-try yung isa. Ang pipiliin ko dito na independent variable ay yung y. So dependent variable natin yung x. So ayan, magiging dx dy na siya times yung ay mali pala, kailangan pala natin gamitin ng product rule. Gagamitin natin ang product rule since naka product yung dalawang variable, since yung dependent and independent variable ay parehas variable. Kaya gagamitin natin ang product rule. X times sin y plus sin y ay dependent variable pala natin yung sige na nga, gamitin na natin na independent variable yung x. So nakasanayan naman na natin hindi yan product rule. Then ganon din yung sa x squared plus y, x squared dy plus y x. Ayan, simplifying magiging x ang derivative ng sin y ay cos y dy dx plus cancel na to, sin y na lang, and then plus x squared, so dy dx, and then plus 2x y, since yung derivative ng x raised to 2 ay 2x times y. and then simplifying, we will get, since yung constant pala naka-equal sa C, hindi magiging 0 na to kasi constant naman. Na-eliminate na natin yung constant, equals to sa cos y dy dx plus sin y plus x squared dy dx plus 2xy. Ayan. Pwede natin pagsamahin yung may dalawang dx saka dx dy. Ay, dy dx, sorry. Mali-mali na lang lagi. Cos y plus yung may dx din plus x squared dy. Pa-factor out lang natin. Ito. As ito. Plus sin y plus 2x y. Bali yan yung final answer natin. Pero kung may pamimilian, pwede ring ganito yung kalabasan. Ito ililipat nyo to dito, yung dalawa sa equal 0. Magiging sin y, since lilipat na siya, mag-iba ng sign, magiging 2x y equals x cos y plus x squared dy dx ay dy. Tama. Then cross multiply yung dx sa kabila, magiging labas yung labas na natin yung sign na negative, magiging positive na, times dx equals to x cos y plus x squared dy. So pwede ring sagot to. Actually ganito yung gusto ata ni sir. For number 2, let's differentiate it once, since it's only one constant, so we need to differentiate only once. Then let's solve it. Let's choose the dependent variable and then yung independent variable. So like in number 1, I will choose x as independent variable as it is a common. So let's solve. Since yung constant, pag differentiate natin, magiging 0 na yun, equal parts, tapos magiging 6x and product rule since dalawang variable ulit. And then plus y squared dx so continuation 6x minus x derivative ng y squared kapag independent variable ay 2y dy dx plus y squared, derivative nun is y squared lang since 1 lang yan, and then 0 6x, simplifying magiging 2xy dy dx, and then plus y squared. And that is final answer.